to have and honored to have Professor Sandeep Poddar sir with us, who would be sharing his thoughts and views on the topic sustainable intelligent systems for the society. At the same time, we will also be joined by Dr. Anjay Kumar Mishra from Nepal topic business operations under society 5.0. We had an issue with our third speaker of the day, that is Dr. Hariri from Saudi Arabia. Actually, she had a tragedy today in her home, whereby her father expired this morning, and we all are very sorry for that, and also join the grieving family in their hour of grief. So, with these words, we have been joined by Dr. P.K. Paul, and I would be requesting him to kindly share his thoughts with us regarding as well as appraise us about the proceedings of yesterday and the proceedings of today also. Over to you, Dr. Paul.
So, very good morning to all of you. So, all the dignitaries present over here, respected Director, AMU Murshidabad campus, respected all the speakers, keynote speakers, session chairs and session coordinators of this international event, International Symposium on Advanced Computing and Informatics in Interdisciplinary Arena, in short ISACIIA-2023, with a focal theme of intelligent systems for society and organization. So this international symposium is actually based on business and also based on society. So we got a lot of research papers during this international symposium. We got 51 number of research papers, but we have selected 26 number of papers for the paper presentation. So today is the paper presentation schedule for 2 tracks. We have social informatics, business informatics, basics IT, computer science and IT related papers into different tracks. 2 different session chairs in each track is going to chair the session, and session coordinator will also help them. So I would like to thank the session coordinator and session chairs for their valuable suggestions regarding the paper we have already received from them for the final publications. Regarding the yesterday, at Raiganj University campus, it was conducted beautifully. Professor J.K. Mandal, the newly appointed Vice Chancellor of Raiganj University, who is also the session chair, gave his beautiful lecture as a keynote speaker. And then Dean Science of the University of Bardhaman at Bardhaman University also enlightened us regarding the e-learning related issues. And then Sri Omiyo Kumar Kalidaho, who is a senior scientific officer of DST Government of West Bengal, also enlightened us regarding the IPR in digital context. The last talk was from Professor Pradipta Das from Assam Central University, and he discussed regarding the cyber security and cyber crime. So total 150 number of candidates attended physically. So that's really a great moment for this international symposium. And this international symposium is also have different role because IEEE, which is the world's largest technical society, is the technical sponsor. So the value of this international conference is also enriched. And as far as the International Advisory Committee is concerned, and as far as the National Committee is concerned, we got various national and international advisors from different part of the state and different part of the world. So we are thankful them, and their suggestion as of now we have incorporated, and I am sure this today's last day of the symposium, ISACIIA, will also be fruitful for all of us. So I would like to request Professor Jilani to, whether I'm not sure that because there was a disconnection, Nigananda sir already gave her speech or not?
Yes, it is done from my end.
Okay, sir. Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. So we are thankful for your institution, your esteemed colleague, for their endless support for this international symposium. On behalf of Raiganj University, we are thankful. And another thing, today is Sandeep Poddar, the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Research and Innovation is here. And we are thankful because he is traveling. And in between traveling, he finds his suitable time to deliver his speech. And he is such an interdisciplinary person. He has chosen a very nice topic on sustainability and intelligence system. So I am thankful on behalf of this committee, on behalf of Raiganj University, on behalf of AMU. I welcome you, sir, in this international symposium.
Thank you.
And our next speaker is Anjay Kumar Mishra from Nepal. He is the director of the Madan Bhandari Memorial College. So he is also going to join and enlighten us regarding the business 2.0. So it's a society 2.0, business, healthcare. So all the interdisciplinary topics have been discussed and to be discussed today. And I am sure the paper presenter, the PG student, regardless of whether they are masters or PG in computer related subject, IT related subject or management, because the theme of the conference is touch all these areas as an interdisciplinary context. So I welcome and all of you on behalf of this symposium, and my sincere thanks to the Professor Jilani and also Professor Alam and Professor Rakibul for their endless support for this international symposium. My support also goes to the students who attended yesterday and now attending today, and those who have worked a lot from this for this international symposium. For this symposium, Deep Devnath is working for YouTube related activities. So I also thank for his support for this international symposium. So one last thing I want to tell you, that feedback link will be available after speaker 2. So you have to fill this feedback link very carefully. It is to be available in YouTube and Google Meet both. So few people are here in Google Meet, but we have YouTube also. So feedback link submission is very important to get the certificate of attendance. And certificate of attendance will be given later, end of this month, and we will declare the date later on. So we now reach to our next session. I would like to request Professor Jilani to show the certificate of appreciation to our co-patron, if possible, the director of this AMU, if possible, because of his support.
I think, sir, it is visible now.
Yes, yes. Sir, please accept. Nigamananda, sir, please accept this token.
This certificate gladly. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I request you, Alam sir is also here, the coordinator, to share the certificate of Alam sir.
Okay, sir, just a minute. Dr. Sarwar Alam sir.
Yes, sir. I accept the certificate. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this chance to be a part of this program. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And Dr. Rakibul sir, Islam sir is also with us. So I'd like to request him also to accept the token of appreciation.
Thank you so much, sir, for the certificate. I'm proud of being part of this program. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we have wasted our time on this. Now we have to move to our session, and Sandeep Poddar sir is waiting for long, and I'm sure all of we are getting a lot of new knowledge, new ideas, and new inputs to our academic journey. So what do you, Jilani sir, I mistake one mistake, yes. Sorry for the inconvenience. One certificate for Jilani sir, Dr. Syed Jilani. I request anyone to show.
Sir, can I show his certificate?
Yes, sir. That will be great.
Accepting it on.
Okay. Just a moment, sir. I am sharing.
No, Sarwar sir, I have already shared it now.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. On behalf of this international symposium, please accept this token of appreciation.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Dr. Paul, for making us a part of this international symposium, and for this certificate. A special thanks to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So over to you, sir, for further processing of the day. And remember, all the attendees, please submit your feedback form here and also YouTube to get the certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Paul. So proceeding ahead with the inaugural session, we now come to an end of the inaugural session, and this would be followed with the plenary session. We have already been joined by our eminent resource person, but before that, we have a brief vote of thanks to be delivered by our colleague, the coordinator of this international symposium, Dr. Raqibul Islam, sir. So I would be requesting him to move the vote of thanks for the inaugural session. Dr. Islam.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good morning to all of you present here. It's my pleasure and privilege to offer vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of International Symposium on Advanced Computing and Informatics in Interdisciplinary Arena, organized by Department of CIS, Raiganj University, West Bengal, India, in association with Aligarh Muslim.
So without any driver, the car is coming and delivering the food items and other necessary things in our doorstep. Maybe it can be used, they are using now for drone to deliver things in future. So that things also may be possible in future. So just two examples, and of course, the previously we used to monitor our temperature, etc., by mercury thermometer, then digital thermometer. Now it is scanned through a distance by the digital camera and the AI technology used to monitor our temperature from very far away. It is used in airport and other places as well. And of course, there are different aspects, as I told, that the delivery of food, and there is this person is Ms. Tan. She developed, means the founder of the Grab in Malaysia and other Vietnam and other countries. The Grab is used like Uber and etc. in India, that can deliver food. That can have in Vietnam, they have the Grab bike. This is the picture from Vietnam. And of course, in Malaysia, they are using the Grab drive, means the Grab car, to what we call to drop by and etc. So this Tan Hui is basically from the mechanical engineering background, but she has done the business management degree, and after that she invented and founded this Grab software, which is software based, and of course AI technology is used. And we, in this lockdown period, many of us have ordered accustomed with giving the order food order by the Grab, and we can track the location of the car, where it is coming, which type of food, and of course the car etc. is already there. Means which car, means we want to board a normal car or exotic car, like that. So it is a software used with the application of AI technology in our daily life and part and parcel of now. So we order KFC, we order McD or any other food from any other restaurant by using any software-based tools. Not only these Grab, other many software-based tools also there. And when we are talking about this COVID and etc., then we know that we have Carey Mullis. In 1984, he discovered the PCR and he got the Nobel Prize. And that PCR is used now vividly in our everyday life, in every corner of our society, to detect the COVID and etc. But this PCR, not what he discovered is different type, but it is now AI-based application is there, and we are detecting the sample result within 1 hour or 2 hours. After the isolation of DNA, RNA, we just put in the machine and get the graph based on the AI technology. So decision tree can be made that yes, it is COVID positive, COVID negative, HIV positive, HIV negative, how much viral load of HIV. Everything is based on a comparative module that yes, there is a standard, this is 500, this is 100, this is 50, this is 25. Then we can get a graph accordingly based on the molecular weight and based on the intensity of the light and UV, what we call absorption, etc. So spectrophotometric reading. So this PCR technology, what Karimunis discovered, is totally different but after the application of AI and machine learning on that. And it is giving a huge success in our everyday life. All of you know this because we usually now go and test for PCR for anything and getting the result. We want the result within 5-6 hours, not that have to wait for 1 day or after what we call after jail run, after the DNA done, then we make the jail run, we make the report. It takes around half a day. Now, there are also automated robotic system to collect the blood samples and other samples, and of course, automated sterilization system. All these automated robotic system in Singapore airport, and of course, the MySafe trap, as I told, and of course, we are using these laboratory-based things. So this all is tackled from the behind, from the AI perspective. So the background, there is a IT and software technology is working day and night in between. And Malaysia, we have the sanitizer system, etc. We know this after the COVID. And of course, they have started the automated food delivery system in the restaurants. So we go a restaurant and we waiting for the waiter to come to take the order, but he told, "Yes, please scan the code and give the order by the mobile." So when I'm ordering from the mobile, yes, of course, tea, coffee we can order, but if we want to know the detail of the menu, then again we need the human touch. We need to talk. We love to talk that yes, how much this plate, how many chicken pieces will be there? I need spicy, I need non-spicy, all like that. So these things, is it gravy or not gravy? This thing detail I cannot read. Of course, everybody cannot read during the ordering. So there may be over order, there may be wrong order, etc. can be happen. But of course, there should be a human touch we need in spite of this AI technology. But this AI technology give a huge support in our COVID. Many universities have developed the robotic trolley to deliver the medicines to the patient bedside without going to patient side, the nurse and the healthcare worker, because the shortage of medical staff during the time. So it supports a long way and very huge success of supporting the system by this AI technology and robotic system. But of course, the human touch is missing. And not only human touch is missing, we cannot tell that. Now, the geriatric patient can get a mobile and call by the support from the doctor by video call. And he can talk with the family members by the video call, and the doctor can see and he can interact with the doctor by the video conferencing. So these are all technologies is coming up only by the AI technology and machine learning approach. And of course, we know that GIS technology used for the animal tracking in the wildlife and agricultural use. We can know the salmon farming and etc., the water temperature, water flow, how much water height, etc. by the sensor technology. We can sensor-based model for moisture count, moisture level monitoring, and of course the pest coming or not, everything can be monitored by this technology-based cameras. So smart irrigation systems, pesticide as I told, and of course the agricultural animal tracking also there, that we can track the animal from a very far, that where the cow is going or any animal can go, we can track. Not only these what we call agricultural animal, wild animal also we are tracking by using the chips. And poultry and etc., we are using the automated system for cleaning, fumigating and collecting eggs, etc. and of course the milk extraction also in several countries using the automated system. All these is monitored by AI technology. In the Japan, the toilet system, that how much water is there, how much tissue roll is there, how much soap solution is there, everything is monitored through AI-based technology. All of these, when we are talking about, we are looking after the sustainability of our society. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 2030 targeting, and United Nations have formulated 17 Sustainable Development Goals, starting from no poverty, zero hunger, third is good health and well-being, fourth is quality education, and like that, number 17 is partnership for the goals. Now, when we are talking about no poverty, if we are poor, then we cannot get rid of hungerness, and if we are hungry, we cannot have good health. We don't have good health, we are hungry, we cannot have quality education or something. So it is very relevant that we cannot attain the AI technology if we are poor, we are in hungry state. But on the contrary, if we don't have quality education, we cannot provide good health, we cannot provide good food, and we have no job, we remain poor. So all this is interrelated with each other. So if we can introduce this AI technology, and then only the many persons working behind that is supporting this AI technology, and many persons get job for this AI technology, and of course it will support the development of the society in Industry 6.0 and Industry Revolution 6.0 we are targeting, and then only we can get rid of poverty. And for this, we need to work hand by hand, like the health workers should work hand by hand with the IT persons, so that the tools and kits will be developed, like the apps of Argo Setu, MySayaatra, etc. Otherwise, it cannot be happen. So partnership for the goal is very important, and we should look out from the academia that what is the need for the society. Accordingly, we should work together. And like I think Dr. Pal has requested me last year, and we have published one chapter in Springer, the AI-based application in the vaccination and etc. That how the vaccination and tracking system is used in different countries in the society. So that one we have make a chapter, and so we like that. We have to know that how and what is the need of the society and which application. That I am thinking only maybe in vaccination. Some person is thinking about the toilet accessories, some person food delivery, some person agricultural based. So everybody is thinking on his aspect, and then only it can go and develop further. So when we are talking about this, so somebody is thinking that, okay, this is nice tie, and another person is thinking, oh, I am hungry because I have not taken breakfast. Another person thinking, what is this person talking about? So without wasting much time, I should tell again that we should do networking and collaboration for this development of our sustainable society. And I am thankful to Raiganj University, Aligarh Muslim University, Murshidabad campus, Professor Nigamanand Sarkar sir, Dr. Mandal sir, Dr. P.K. Pal for inviting me and giving this opportunity to talk in front of you. So we all welcome, as sir also welcome me, I also welcome all of you to Malaysia, Lincoln University College. It is 5-star rank during the last 4 years by the Ministry of Education. Times Higher ranking is the 3rd top university in Malaysia, and of course other wild rankings also there. So please do visit and make collaboration in different research aspects so that we can serve the society better. Thank you all again, and the mic is handed over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Professor Sandeep Poddar sir, for giving a very extensive lecture on different applications of AI in our day-to-day life, as well as the way this technique is promoting and making the things simpler and easier for the human race altogether. With this, I would now be requesting Dr. P.K. Paul to kindly hand over the certificate of appreciation to our eminent speaker, Professor Sandeep Poddar sir. I am sharing that certificate now. Dr. P.K. Paul,
sir, thank you so much. Sir, thank you so much for your kind and very informative and timely talk of the day, because we learn a lot of things from the health science, management, and day-to-day life things related to the IT and computing. So it is very difficult for me whether you are a person for computing or not, because all the things you have discussed just like a IT professors or academician and expert. So on behalf of this international symposium, I request you, as Dr. Zilani has shared, to kindly accept this token of appreciation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
And we will be happy to collaborate your institute also, because your institute is one of the leading in Malaysia for any kind of conferences or this, if possible.
Sure, we can do dual degree, etc. We will talk in future.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. So what to...
Yes, sir. So thank you, Dr. Sandeep Poddar sir, for the lecture, as well as Dr. P.K. Paul sir for presenting the appreciation certificate. And with this, we move on with the program ahead. We have been joined with another very eminent resource person of the day, and in the form of Dr. Anjay Kumar Mishra sir, who is the Director Research, Madam Madan Bhandari Memorial College, Kathmandu, Nepal. And Dr. Mishra will be presenting his talk on the topic Business Operations under Society 5.0. Before I would be inviting Dr. Mishra, I would be presenting a very brief profile, his brief profile. Dr. Anjay Kumar Mishra sir is doctorate in project management from Kanpur. He is associate professor and research director, Madan Bhandari Memorial College, Tribhuvan University, Kathmandu. He is also a regular visiting faculty and thesis supervisor at various colleges such as United Technical College, Bharatpur, Institute of Engineering, Dharan, Lumbini Engineering and Management Science College, Rupandehi. He has worked as associate professor and research director at Joint Constituent College of Pokhara University. He is editor-in-chief of DV Publication India and member of editorial board of different international journals. He has been providing consulting services to many organizations such as Nepal Government, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, Department of Water Supply and Sewerage Management, Baton Infratech LLP Pune. He has been supervising theses of different universities such as Lincoln University, Malaysia, Srinivas University, India, Tribhuvan and Pokhara University of Nepal. He has been serving as external examiner for research work of many universities. Currently, he is leading a research project in association with Kyoto College of Graduate Studies for Informatics, Japan, and Madan Bhandari Memorial College to manage risk during disaster using Mandala. So with this brief introduction of our eminent resource person, I would be requesting Dr. Anjay Kumar Mishra sir to kindly deliver his talk on the topic Business Operation under Society. Sir, over to you.
Thank you so much for your wonderful introduction and welcome. So I will share.
Good morning, Anjay sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Thank you so much for inviting me and giving me opportunity to interact through your platform. So, one second, yes. Hope my presentations are visible, okay?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Thank you so much.
You can make it full screen, sir. Also.
Yes, one. Okay. So it's in full screen now?
No, sir, we can't see the presentation now. Actually, your home screen is being shown here.
One second. Yes. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So without wasting even a single second, business operation during Society 5.0. As the earlier speaker has highlighted how the society is changing, and in this context, maintaining business is also becoming a challenge. If we see the evaluation of organization, how the organizations are evolving during earlier stage, by the basis of rule and regulations in a bureaucratic structure, we used to be the leader of the market, or we used to take the market leadership in the business. As we know, business is all about knowing what the society wants and what are the ways, how can you fulfill those wants of the society, which one is the best that can fulfill the demand of society. That determines whether you are a leader of the business or not. If you are a leader of the business, means you are fulfilling what the society is looking for. Then you can take the market from leading as a front. So see, earlier IT business used to be there, but it used to operate from the back. It was not found in front, because product quality and the rule and regulation as you are following in your structure, that is to determine whether you are taking business or not. Now IT is coming in front, information technology is coming in front. So the range of business or a style of business that used to be operated from the back, now it has come to lead from the front. So this way the business culture is changing. That's why if we see the recently developed organization trend, market-oriented ecosystem, where what happens, you have to put all your resources like human resource, technology, or whatever resources you are having, that all you are putting as a platform in the center. From those platforms, you are having different teams. They are going in the market and they are searching what the society is looking for, what the society wants, and they are fulfilling. So now we don't have organization structure or something relation with this strategy, structure, people, rewards, process. This all we have crushed, and we have reached at a position where you are having one platform that is centrally located. From those platforms, you have different teams that is taking business. It has been well explained in reinventing the organization with the example of military systems. Everywhere army and militaries are there. So one central system is there where military officers are staying or they are having their quarters. But inside that...
Sanjay sir, sorry
Yes,
for
sir.
interruption.
Sorry.
It is in first slide in my system. It is showing the first slide only. I am not sure for others.
Yes, same here, sir. Actually, he has not seen
Now
the
it's
slide.
second. Now it's second. Now it's second slide.
So
It's okay now, sir. Now it's okay. In second slide, you are.
okay. So here we can see that this is what market-oriented ecosystem. In this market-oriented ecosystem, as of military system, you are keeping one platform where militaries are kept or their headquarters have been placed. From there, they are having different teams. One is for research, another is for relationship, another maybe for securing the borders or collecting the information. Like that, they are having different units, and those units are going at different locations, and from there they are getting all the information and deciding how can we fulfill the needs and wants of society and taking business leadership. So this way, the business which used to be operated from hierarchy or bureaucratic system now shifted to the market oriented ecosystem. We are developing ecosystem, and in the process of developing this ecosystem, the sensor based data is giving accurate value. What are we looking for? What the society is looking for? That's why we call it Society 5.0. In Society 5.0, all the data, all the needs and wants are accurately traced through a data management system. So beyond IT, or beyond from the scope of IT, we have moved to a world of data. We have jumped to a universe of data. Every second we are producing data, and through a best sensor system, those data are found to be analyzed, stored using big data analytics or several other components of Society 5.0 or Web 3.0 to address exact need. This way the business culture is changing. So some problems are going at my end because slides are not changing. One second. Sorry for interruption.
No issue, sir. You can reshare the thing again. So I think that will work.
Yes. Yes. So I think slide has changed now.
No, sir. We are still in the second slide. Yes, it has changed. Evolution of operation.
Yes. So earlier, what used to happen, if you are having talent people, then your organization used to be said it's leading in the market. It's talent people who used to win, talent people who used to have all the information and capabilities to do, and they used to give the performance. Right now, the scenario has changed. Talent people would only not be sufficient to grasp you the market, because variety of information that has gathered or the availability of information is so easy that even people who are not really talented, they can also acquire information easily, and by their decision they can be leader of the market. So during earlier stage in the operation or organizational development, what we used to focus design of the organization. Do we have the right operation department, or the department which we are having is right to assure the service or productivity to the society or not? Then we jump to transformation. At third, we came to value proportion. Whatever activities you are performing, are those adding value to the society or not? If it is adding value to society, then you would be inside society, you will be member of society. Otherwise, you will be eliminated from the list of society. And now we have reached to victory